Choosing the right windows for your Clearwater home or business is a crucial decision that affects energy efficiency, curb appeal, and long-term maintenance. Vinyl windows have become a popular choice for homeowners in Clearwater due to their durability, affordability, and energy-saving benefits. If you're considering upgrading your windows, here are the top reasons to choose vinyl windows for your Clearwater property. Superior energy efficiency for Florida's climate. Clearwater's warm climate and high humidity make energy efficiency a top priority when selecting windows. Vinyl windows offer excellent insulation, helping to keep your home cooler in the summer and reducing the strain on your air conditioning system. Key energy-saving features include multi-pane glass that reduces heat transfer, low emissivity coatings that reflect UV rays while letting in natural light. Argon or krypton gas fills between panes for added thermal insulation. Tightly sealed frames that prevent drafts and air leaks. With these energy-efficient features, vinyl windows help reduce electricity costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Durable and weather-resistant. Clearwater is no stranger to intense heat, humidity, and tropical storms. Vinyl windows are designed to withstand these elements better than traditional materials like wood or aluminum. Moisture-resistant. Unlike wood, vinyl windows won't warp, rot, or swell in humid conditions. Corrosion-resistant. They hold up well against salty coastal air, making them an excellent choice for homes near the water. Impact-resistant options available. Many vinyl windows are reinforced to withstand strong winds and flying debris during storms. By choosing vinyl windows, you're investing in long-lasting, weather-resistant windows that can handle Florida's unpredictable climate. Low maintenance and easy to clean. One of the biggest advantages of vinyl windows is their low maintenance nature. Unlike wood windows, which require frequent painting and sealing, vinyl windows are virtually maintenance-free. Benefits include no painting or staining required. The color is built into the material, so it won't chip or fade. Easy cleaning. A simple wipe down with soap and water keeps them looking brand new. Mold and mildew resistance. Vinyl is not susceptible to mold growth, which is a common issue in humid climates. With minimal upkeep, you can enjoy beautiful, functional windows without the hassle of constant maintenance. Affordability without compromising quality. For homeowners looking for high-quality windows on a budget, vinyl is one of the most cost-effective options. Vinyl windows typically cost less than wood or fiberglass while still offering excellent durability and energy efficiency. Lower initial cost. Vinyl windows are more affordable to purchase and install. Long-term savings. Their energy efficiency reduces heating and cooling costs. Minimal maintenance costs. No need for repainting or resealing. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing performance, vinyl windows are a smart investment. Variety of styles and customization options. Vinyl windows come in a wide range of colors, styles, and finishes, allowing homeowners to match their windows to their home's architectural style. Popular options include single-hung and double-hung windows for traditional homes, casement and awning windows for modern designs, Sliding windows for a sleek, contemporary look. Bay and bow windows to create an elegant, spacious feel. Additionally, many manufacturers offer custom sizing and grid patterns, allowing you to tailor your windows to your exact preferences. Noise reduction for a quieter home. If you live near a busy street, school, or commercial area, vinyl windows can help reduce noise pollution. Features that improve sound insulation include double or triple pane glass that blocks outside noise, foam-filled frames that further insulate against sound, high-quality sealing to prevent sound leaks. With vinyl windows, you can enjoy a quieter, more peaceful home in Clearwater. Environmentally friendly and recyclable. For homeowners looking to make eco-conscious choices, vinyl windows are a great option. Many vinyl window products are recyclable, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Additionally, their energy-saving benefits help reduce carbon footprints by lowering home energy consumption. Increased home value and curb appeal. Upgrading to new vinyl windows can significantly increase your home's resale value. Homebuyers look for energy-efficient, durable, and stylish windows, making vinyl an attractive feature. With their customizable appearance, modern designs, and long lifespan, vinyl windows enhance curb appeal and add to your property's overall value. Final thoughts. Are vinyl windows right for you? If you're looking for energy-efficient, durable, low-maintenance, and budget-friendly windows, vinyl is an excellent choice for your Clearwater property. Their ability to withstand Florida's climate while providing cost savings and aesthetic appeal makes them a top choice for homeowners. To ensure the best results, work with a trusted window installation expert in Clearwater who can guide you through the selection process and provide professional installation. With vinyl windows, you can enhance comfort, efficiency, and home value, all with minimal upkeep.